Welcome back, folks, to Investor Diaries. Hope you've been enjoying the content that we are providing in 2022. And if you've not already done so, please smash the subscribe button right now to make sure that you get notified of all the latest and greatest content that we are putting forth in this channel.
Now, as you all know, we are pretty bullish about MP Materials stock here at Investor Diaries. However, on Feb 3rd, the Bonitas research published a short report which hit the company stock. We'll leave a link to the short report in the description below.
Now, a few insights from the short report are as follows. The firm claims that MP Materials' value has been inflated by Shenge Resources. Now, this is a publicly traded company in China that owns an 8% stake in MP Materials. Further to that, the report also claims that it's the 100% customer of MP Materials, as well as having 100% right to production and 100% company's net income until it's recouped its investment in the company.
That's right, Appy. According to the short report, Shenge Resources enacted an abusive transfer price manipulation scheme. The report says this started in the second quarter of 2021. It claims that this saw it overpaying for MP Materials concentrates in an effort to boost companies' profits.
As a result, Shenge Resources saw its profits fall, while MP Materials saw its profits soar higher and higher. Now, to go along with it, insiders at the company unloaded $400 million worth of MP stock during 2021.
Bonitas research also points out that the scheme coincided with the SPAC insider lockup expiration of MP stock. It says that this allowed MP shareholders sell their stocks at inflated prices. Bonitas research says that it's short MP stock and expects it to head lower in the coming months.
Investors are reacting to the news with heavy trading of MP Material stocks. On 3rd of Feb, more than 4 million shares of MP Materials were traded. And now that's above the company's daily average trading volume of 2.6 million shares.
Now, what we at Investor Diaries really liked is that the MP Materials company took all these allegations head on and provided a response to them. And MP's response was posted on Twitter, and it's essentially this. Sadly, some things never change. Let's welcome Bonitas research to the long list of detractors that fail to understand our business, deceptively manipulative competing sets of data, and bet against MP. Along with that, they provided a few facts. Number one, Shenge is a distributor. They are a price taker and not a price maker. Observe the price of the underlying commodity, particularly NdPr, which we have described in one of our previous videos. They mentioned that the NdPr product drives the price of the product and further clarified that it's spiking rapidly.
Additionally, there was another allegation made by the company that MP was importing bastanite concentrate from China. The report provided a snapshot of the US Customs Office records as the basis of the allegation.
Now, this allegation was solely based on the fact that a container of these concentrates came from China to MP. And to this, MP responded in its tweets that MP shipped well over 3,500 containers of concentrate in 2021. A single container, the smoking gun identified by the Bonitas research, was lost in transit and returned to the sender. So MP is saying this is similar to a package going missing and it being sent back to the sender rather than the destination. And they further say, thankfully, it was rerouted to its proper destination and it's on its way. MP Materials further clarified that false and misleading allegations are time-consuming and levied to expressively serve a purpose. They hurt MP stakeholders and distract them from an important mission. But we do not let these things dissuade us.
Additionally, they've tweeted, "We appreciate your support. We have a lot of work ahead of us, but our momentum is accelerating, and clearly that bothers some. We'll share more on the 24th of Feb as MP Materials reports full year 2021 and Q4 results."
So what do we make of all this at Investor Diaries? The short report can be summarized in 4 key points. First is the involvement of Shenge. Second is the MP insider sales. Third is the report of ore imports from China. And third is feasibility of Mountain Pass ore. As we have discussed earlier in the channel, we really like it when companies welcome the short reports and address it head on, providing greater clarity for all its investors, shareholders, and stakeholders.
Shortly after the short report on 4th of Feb, another market researcher, Hedge, added MP to the best idea of long list. They said that the short report was unsubstantiated, rehashed garbage, and a potential alpha opportunity for those that understand MP and electrification.
Additionally, on Feb 9th, another firm, Benchmark, upgrades MP from a hold to a buy with a $47 price target, citing permanent magnet facility in Texas and the deal that MP made with General Motors as catalysts for this change.
So, folks, overall, we at Investor Diaries continue to be bullish on what MP has to offer potentially. We look forward to the full year and Q4 report on the 24th of Feb. We'll keep all our viewers posted on the latest and greatest from that discussion. However, the bottom line still stands. We were bullish about MP a few months back when we posted our first video, and we continue to stand by that company. And we feel that MP Materials is trading at attractive valuations.
That's right, folks. We have triangulated all the analysis that different firms have done. There have been multiple short reports by some firms. At the same time, there has been multiple bullish calls made by a couple of analysts. We feel that folks who really understand MP's purpose and its mission in the future in the space of magnets, NdPr magnets, and electrification and electric vehicles have a long way to go. We are continue to be bullish, and we think MP Materials has a long way to go.
That's a wrap, folks. Do let us know what you think about the MP Materials stock in the comment section below. And until next time, stay tuned and stay focused.
Thanks, everyone.